Hello guys, a very good morning. Good morning from Shillong. It's a very good morning. Today is 6 August 2021. Today is our ride to Cherrapunji along with my friends. I'm gonna introduce everyone who are going along with me.
Yeah, hello.
This is Zeni and Sakma, and this is another rider,
Hey, rider.
Jofar, and this is
Heavy rider.
Litan.
Yeah.
This is Khaksang. So actually we'll be heading towards Cherrapunji side. We doesn't know after Cherrapunji where we might go. So for now our location will be till Cherrapunji. Okay. So these are the bikes that we are taking for a ride. So actually these are the rental bikes. 3 rental bikes we have taken. This is the Classic 350 and this is the Thunderbird and this is another Thunderbird. So we are all set to leave for our ride. And if I get time, I'll definitely try to vlog on the way. So right now we came to the petrol pump for refilling. Are why are you laughing? Why this guy is laughing? What makes you feel funny? So finally we came here into this petrol pump for refilling, and this bike already dry up. The petrol is already dry up. So that's why
His bike already dried up because he roamed yesterday too much. Yeah, I don't need petrol. Yeah.
So guys, finally we have stopped here just for another fuel break, and I wanted to show you all everywhere mountain, and my pillion is my cameraman right now, so yeah, he'll be riding now. Wow. So finally we just arrived here in this beautiful location. I don't know the place of this location. We are already above the cloud. Just check it out, guys. Woo! Just check this out, guys, behind me. Guys, so finally we have came to another location. This is the most dangerous location that I have ever seen in my entire lifetime. Well, I'm just gonna show you all closer. Just check this out, guys. Camera won't just is a view. If you come and see in reality, you'll feel the vibes. Just check this out. In this location, Kokbro music video has been shot Tungsa Langma, and you guys can see this beautiful view. I came for the very first time today here in this beautiful location. Wow, it's really amazing, guys. Camera won't justice the view, but if you come and see the reality, you'll definitely feel how you are, and you are like already in heaven. Just check this out, guys. The clouds are flowing. Oh. Let's go to another location. Guys, I'm literally speechless that I came into this beautiful location, and I haven't known a place, the name of this waterfall. You guys can just check this out. How beautiful it is. Oh, you can see water flowing from that top to bottom. Hey, what is the name of this waterfall? What is the name of this waterfall? Ram. If you guys are watching this video, then kindly do visit this waterfall. It's very beautiful, guys. Just check this out. Oh! Yang ni sini simur kho tang khai. Ongko khai je portrait khai portrait. Ante khai nai choko. Portrait khai khana ma e ate khai YouTube ko tangmo. Baro bike chotani malai yang tang lekha ro. Oi khicho na. Just look at this view. Timi nama nai. Cho reng. Bike oro tu heri nang. Kaisa bujak lai ni.